In tonight's Health Watch, we're looking at the mental health crisis among Americans' youth. A new study finds nearly 1 in 5 young people suffered from depression before the pandemic hit, and it's only gotten worse. CBS's Meg Oliver explains.
Focus on your exhale.
If I open up to my parents about how I feel, it'll make them think that they failed.
18-year-old Emma Wanstall has learned it's okay to ask for help. The former cheerleader started treatment for her mental health in July.
It's good to feel emotions, but you just have to deal with them in the right way.
During the pandemic, Emma fell into a deep depression.
How bad did it get?
It got to the point where I overdosed, and I was planning on going to bed that night and not waking up in the morning.
Suicide is the third leading cause of death among people aged 15 to 24 in the U.S. Since 2019, the number of teenage girls who have been suicidal has increased 50%.
Why is it getting worse?
It's the pressure of the return to normalcy. Now we're trying to get back to normal when we've all lost out on some skills.
Samantha Gigno is a family therapist at Newport Healthcare. She says parents should look for changes in behavior, isolating from friends, substance use, self-harm, or eating disorders.
Is it okay to talk to your child about suicide?
Yes, absolutely. That's a very big fear, right? If you name that for your adolescent, it will put the idea in their head, and that's not the case. So you want to ask your child, are you having thoughts of hurting yourself? Are you having thoughts of worthlessness or hopelessness? You can talk to me. If you can't, we'll get you the help that you need.
Emma is learning to cope through various therapies and now relies on boxing as an emotional outlet.
What do you want other kids to know who are suffering from depression or possibly thinking about suicide?
That you're not alone. There is a lot of people out there that are going through the same thing as you, and it's hard, but you have to face it head on.
Moving forward by taking the first step. Meg Oliver, CBS News, Bethlehem, Connecticut.